Hello everyone, with a new chapter triangle we will begin. Here we would like to note down similarities and the properties of the theorem. This chapter is very important again. As you can see, we will learn about criteria of AAA and AA similarity means angle or we can say it angle property. Then we will learn about SSS similarity criteria and side similarity criteria. In earlier class we will learn about congruency, but here we will learn about similarity of the true triangle. So as you can see the chart, please note down that chart. We will discuss more about it. Here you can compare the criterias angle, side, angle, and side. You can also note down this table too. Then we will discuss more in detail related to this chapter in our regular classes. Here you can note properties and the theorem. Here so much important theorem is that basic proportionality theorem that we will learn and how to write, what to do, everything I will explain. Here you have to note it down: first property, second property, and third property, fourth property, and here will be fifth property. And here I have given some table in which you can see that what kind of theorem is given and how we can prove it in easy way. In our regular classes, these are the notes which you can refer, and below I will send link to.